Good morning to all. I welcome all of you in this lecture session. This is the lecture number 4 of the Turing machine. In the previous lecture, we had learned how to construct a Turing machine corresponding to a non-regular language. In the previous lecture, we had solved 2 problems. In this lecture, we shall learn some additional problems and difficult problems, how to construct a Turing machine corresponding to those languages. Now let us come to the first example. The first example which are going to solve in today's lecture is this. In this problem, you have to given this language, you have to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this language. So the language is L equal to WCW की power R such that W is a string of A and B. So here W की power R is a reverse string of W. So W is any string of B and W power R is a reverse string of W. Now we solve this problem. So when you have to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this language, first you have to analysis the strings belonging to this language. So look to the set, you will find the following strings are belonging to this set. Following strings are belonging to this set. The first or the smallest string which is belonging to this set is C. The second string will be ACA. The third string BCB. Fourth is ABCBA. Fifth is BACAB. AABCBAA. So these are the some strings which are belonging to this set. Now you have to analysis these strings. After analysis, we find the strings which are belonging to set L are the palindrome, are of the type of palindrome. In all these strings, we also find the first symbol and the last symbol are same. The first symbol and the last symbol are same. First symbol, last symbol are same in all the string. And another we find the second symbol and the second last symbol are so same. Similarly, the third symbol and the third last symbol are also same, and so on. So these are the pattern of the strings which are belonging to this set. So after analysis the strings belonging to this set, now we construct a Turing machine corresponding to this. When you have to make the transitions rule in the Turing machine, you have to attention on the point how to match the first symbol with the last symbol. Machine will continue its work when first symbol and last symbol match, second symbol and second last symbol match, third symbol and third last symbol match, and so on. If at any stage the first symbol and the last symbol not match, या second symbol and second last symbol not match, then machine stop or halt without going into the final state, right? So you have to attention on this point. So now the procedure is this. First we start the machine from the state QG. The first input symbol in the state Q0 may be either A or B or C. If the first input symbol is A, then we remove the input symbol A by some tape symbol and also change its state, and machine will move to the last symbol of the string. If the last input symbol is A, since the first input symbol was A, therefore you have to check the last symbol is A or not. If the last input symbol is A, then machine also remove this input symbol from the tape, right? And again back to the first input symbol into the tape, and the same process will again repeat the machine. If again the input symbol is A, then machine remove the input symbol A again and move to the right direction and goes to the last tape symbol. If the last tape symbol is A, then machine again remove it and again move to the left direction and goes to the first tape symbol. This process continue. Next, if the first input symbol is B, then remove it and change its state to Q5. At this place the machine change its state to Q0 to Q1 in this case, but here the machine change its state from Q0 to Q5, right? So after this machine move to the last symbol. So after changing the state from Q0 to Q5, the machine will move to the last symbol of the tape. As soon as the machine reached at the last tape symbol, machine check it is B or not. If it is B, then machine remove it and move to the left direction and goes to the first tape symbol of the tape and again check the first symbol of the tape. If the tape symbol is again B, then machine again move to the state Q5 and remove the input symbol B and move to the right direction and again move to the last symbol of the tape. If the last symbol of the tape is B, then machine remove the tape symbol B and move to the left direction and goes to the first tape symbol of the string, and this process continue till all the strings before C and after C are removed. When all the strings before C are eliminated or removed, then at the state Q0, when tape symbol C appears, machine move to the right direction and change its again state. If there is no input strings after C, at this situation machine goes to the final state. If at this state some input string remains in the tape, then machine does not enter into the final state. So this is the whole process for working of this Turing machine. That is the procedure to construct a Turing machine. So the logic of constructing a Turing machine of this, again we see step by step. First you have to start from initial state. Check the first tape symbol is A or B. If the tape symbol is A, machine remove that tape symbol and change its state to Q1. At state Q1, machine only move in the right direction and check the last tape symbol of the tape. If the last tape symbol is A, then machine remove A and move to the left direction, right? And this process continue. Similarly, machine check the tape symbol B. If the tape symbol B appears, machine goes to the state Q5. At Q5, machine move to the right direction. As soon as the last symbol is B, again machine remove the blank symbol B and move to the left direction. So this process continue till all the input string before C are eliminated. When all the string before C are eliminated, then machine move to some another state and check the input string after C. If there is no input string after C, then machine goes to the final state. If there exists some input string after C, then machine does not enter into the final state. Okay, so this is the whole logic to construct a Turing machine corresponding to this language. Now let us come to design a Turing machine corresponding to this language. Now look, this is transition diagram is a Turing machine corresponding to this language. Here we have constructed a Turing machine for this language. Look this figure is very complex because the Turing machine corresponding to this language is difficult. But the logic or the procedure which I have explained to you, if you look according to that logic, then the construction of this Turing machine becomes easy. So you have to concentrate on the logic. If you construct a Turing machine according to the logic which I have described previously, then to make the Turing machine this will be easy. Okay, so now we discuss the construction of this Turing machine. Now, so initially you have to start from the initial state. So this is the initial state. You have to start from this state. Now at this state, the tape symbol is A. Now when at this state the input symbol small a appears, machine move to this direction. If the input symbol B appears, machine move to this direction. If at the input symbol C appears, machine move to this direction. Right? So note, so at the state Q0, the first tape symbol or the input symbol may be either A, B or C. Therefore, here we define these three conditions. The first is this, second is this, and third is this. Now, suppose the first tape symbol or the input symbol is A. In this situation, when the first tape symbol is A, machine change its state from Q0 to Q1, right? And A is replaced by blank. So here we replace A by blank symbol B. That is A become removed. And also we move in the right direction. Also we move in the right direction. R denote the right direction. Now after applying this transition rule, the machine goes to the state Q1. At the state Q1, when tape symbol A and B appears, machine only move in the right direction and state does not change, and tape symbol is also not change. So at the state Q1, machine only move in the right direction, and as soon as the tape symbol C appears, machine change its state from Q1 to Q2. Machine change its state from Q1 to Q2. Now, and also the head of the machine move to the right direction. Again check here, at the state Q2, when tape symbol A or B appears, machine only move in the right direction. Only move in the right direction. When at the state Q2, the input symbol A or B appears, in this situation machine only move in the right direction. As soon as the tape symbol B, that is capital B, that is blank symbol B appear, that is machine goes to the right side, then the machine change its state from Q2 to Q3. Now the state is changed, right? And machine move in the left direction, and the blank symbol is not changed, right? But the machine move in the left direction. Here the machine move in the right direction, but here the machine move in the left direction. Okay. So at the state Q2, as soon as it finds the tape symbol is B, machine change its state from Q2 to Q3, and machine move in the left direction, right? Because machine reached at the last tape symbol. Now here at the state Q3, it check the last tape symbol is small a or small b. If the last tape symbol is small a, then machine continue. That is, machine goes to state Q4 state, because here we remove the tape symbol small a. Here you have to also remove the tape symbol a. You have to match this symbol with this symbol. Okay. Now, to add the state Q3, as soon as the tape symbol small a appears, machine remove small a by capital B and move in the left direction. Move in the left direction and goes to state Q4. Now, at the state Q4, machine only move in the left direction, right? The machine only move in the left direction at the state Q4. So this will move in the left direction until it finds the tape symbol capital B. Until it finds tape symbol capital B. That is, until it finds blank symbol. Right? So before it, the tape symbol small a, tape symbol small b, tape symbol small c appears in the tape. So when these appears either small a, small b or small c, machine only move in the left direction. Right? Without doing any other action, only machine move in the left direction. At the state Q4, when it counters the tape symbol capital B, that is the blank symbol, machine move to the initial state. Right? The machine move to the initial state from Q4 to Q0 state. Right? So this is the complete cycle. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q0. So this is a complete cycle. So this cycle will run if the input symbol small a appear in a tape. Now, when input symbol small b appear in a tape, then what will be happen? Now check here. So at the state Q0, when tape symbol or the input symbol b appear, then machine change its state from Q0 to Q5, right? So in this case, machine change its state from this to this, Q0 to Q5, and small b is replaced by capital B. That is, small b is removed, and also the head of the machine moved to the right direction. Okay. Now, at the state Q5, when tape symbol small a or tape symbol small b appears in the tape, machine only move in the right direction, right? The state is also not changed, and the machine only move in the right direction. When the tape symbol C appears in the tape, machine change its state from Q5 to Q6. So here machine change its state from Q5 to Q6 when the tape symbol C appears at the state Q5. So at the state Q6, machine only move in the right direction. So when it move in the right direction, either the tape symbol small a or the tape symbol small b appears. Either small a or small b appears. In these two situations, machine move only in the right direction. Okay. As soon as the tape symbol capital B appears, machine move in the Q7 state. Machine move in the Q7 state. Now at the Q7 state, and also move in the left direction, and the head of the machine move in the left direction. In which situation? When at the state Q6, the tape symbol B appears, then machine move in the left direction and change its state from Q6 to Q7. When at state Q7, the tape symbol B appears, that is, this is the last input symbol. If the last input symbol is B, small b, then machine change its state from Q7 to Q4, right? From Q7 to Q4, and also small b is removed by capital B, and head of the machine move in the left direction. So these three actions applied at this state. Now, so at the Q4 state, when tape symbol A, tape symbol B, tape symbol C are appear, then machine only move in the left direction. Machine only move in the left direction when the tape symbol A, B or C appears. As soon as the tape symbol capital B appears, machine again change its state from Q4 to Q0, right? So again this cycle is completed. Machine start from Q0 goes to again Q0. So this cycle is repeated. So that is when tape symbol B appears, then this cycle will be repeated. When the tape symbol A appears, then this cycle is repeated, right? So before in the this string, when the input string W appears, in this situation machine either use this cycle or use this cycle, right? So using these two cycle, machine remove all the input symbol belong into W, right, and belong into WR. When all the tape symbol or the input symbol belong into W are removed, then at the state Q0 machine encounters tape symbol C. When tape symbol C appears at the state Q0, it means there is no string of W before C. In this situation machine goes to the Q8 at the Q, and also the head of the machine move to the right direction, right? That is, here we do not change the tape symbol C. So machine move from Q0 to Q8 state. So at the Q8 state, as soon as the tape symbol B appear, tape symbol capital B appear, that is blank symbol appears, machine goes to the final state. If at this state, at the state Q8 either small a or small b appears, in this situation machine does not enter into the final state because some input string remains after C. Therefore the string which you have to consider is not of this form. In this situation machine cannot enter into the final state, right? When at the state Q8 the tape symbol capital B appears, then machine goes to the final state, right? So this is the Turing machine corresponding to this language, right? So this is the difficult Turing machine. Okay, clear? Now we come to the verification of this Turing machine. This Turing machine works correctly or not, right? Okay, now we come to the next slide. So here first we consider the acceptance part. In this case we consider a one string belong into the L. So here we consider the string is A B C B A, right? So here we consider this string. So in this case the first you have to start from initial state, the string which you have to process. So this is the initial ID. So at the state Q0 when symbol small a appears, the machine goes to the Q1 state and small a is removed by capital B symbol, and also the head of the machine move in the right direction. Okay, so here at the state Q0 input symbol is A. So look the transition rule in the transition diagram. So here at the state Q0 input symbol A, the rule is this: machine move to the Q0 to Q1 state, right? And small a is replaced by capital B, and the head of the machine move in the right direction, right? So when we apply these three actions, machine, the next ID of the machine will be this. The next state becomes Q1, small a is removed by capital B, and the head of the machine move to the right of small a, right? So here now at the state Q1 when any input symbol appear, machine only move in the right direction till it encounters tape symbol C. So here tape symbol A, machine move in the right direction. Here tape symbol B, machine move in the right direction, right? But at this place, look here, at the state Q1, tape symbol C appears. In this situation, at the state Q1, you have to check the role, the tape symbol C. So here at the state Q1, the tape symbol C appears, right? So at the state Q1, tape symbol C appears, machine change its state from Q1 to Q2, right? And also move in the right direction. Okay, apply these two actions. So at Q1C, machine state change to Q2 state and move in the right direction. Now at the state Q2, B appear, machine will move in the right direction. Here the machine move in the right direction. Again A appear, machine again move in the right direction. Here again A, machine move in the right direction. But at this place, when machine reached at the right end, then machine will move in the left direction. As soon as at the state Q2, blank symbol appear, right? And also change its state from Q2 to Q3. So now it becomes here this, right? So that is now at this situation the state is Q3. So when at Q3 the input symbol A appear, then machine replace the input symbol A by blank symbol and also move in the left direction and change its state to Q4 state, right? So now it becomes here this. Now at the state Q4, machine only move in the left direction. So here Q4A appears, left direction. Here Q4B appears, move in the left direction. Q4C appears, machine move in the left direction. Left direction, left direction. Here as soon as at the state Q4, the blank symbol appears. Look here. At the state Q4, blank symbol appear. In this situation, machine move the right direction and goes to initial state, right? Goes to initial state, move the right direction, right? So that is, now we reach at the initial state. So we start from the initial state or we move to the initial state. It means one cycle is completed. One cycle is completed. Again you have to repeat the same cycle, right? Because the next input symbol is again A, so therefore you have to again repeat this cycle. So again when you repeat this cycle, the next situation will be after completing a cycle, next will be situation this. The next ID will be this, right? So here we skip all these ID, so this will be the complete one cycle. So at this situation, at the state Q0, as soon as the tape symbol B appears, now the machine goes to Q5 state, right? But because this is the second combination, when at the state Q0 the tape symbol B appears, machine move in the state Q5. Now at the Q5, right? So when at the Q5 state C appears, machine change its state from Q5 to Q6 state, right here. At Q6 state, machine only move in the right direction, right, till it finds the capital B. So here it finds the capital B, therefore machine return to left. Now here machine goes to the left direction and also change its state from Q6 to Q7. Now here the machine goes to Q4 state. Again at the Q4 state, again left move, goes to this. Again here the Q0 state again. Now at this state Q0, the tape symbol C appears, right? Then machine goes to Q8 state. Now you have to check at the Q8 state. So when at the Q8 state the tape symbol B appear, capital B appear, in this situation machine goes to the final state because there is no input string after C here, right? So this is the final state Q9, right? So clearly there is no transition rule defined at the final state, therefore machine halt at the final state. So since machine halt at the final state, therefore this string is accepted, right? So this is the acceptance part. Similarly, you can show that the rejection part. This is the rejection part. Here we consider this string A, B, C, A. You have to self-check this string is rejected or not. If this string is rejected by your designed Turing machine, it means your machine works correctly, right? So this is the verification part, right? So now let us come to the second problems. Now the second problem is this: construct a Turing machine to accept the language L equal to this. Here the language L is WWR, such that W is a string of A and B. Clearly this question is similar to the previous questions. So here the language is WWR. In the previous question the language was WCWR, right? So only C is missing in this example. So that is, it means the logic which you have used in the previous question are same in this question also. Here you have to apply the same logic which you have used in the previous question. So that is, here you have to again apply the same logic. If the machine start from the initial state, when the tape symbol or the input symbol small a encounters, right? In this situation machine goes to the Q1 state when tape symbol या input symbol a encounters, and also small a is removed by capital B and move in the right direction. So at the state Q1 machine only move in the right direction, right? Either small a or small b appears in the tape, machine only move in the right direction. As soon as the tape symbol capital B appears, that is the blank symbol appears, machine change its state from Q1 to Q2, right? So that is the tape symbol capital B appear means machine reached at the right end. When machine reached at the right end, check the last tape symbol of the tape. If the last tape symbol is small a, then machine enter into the Q3 state. Machine move to the Q3 state from Q2 to Q3 state, and small a is replaced by capital B, and also the head of the machine move to the left direction. So when at the state Q2 the tape symbol small a appears, machine change its state from Q2 to Q3, and a is removed by blank symbol and also move in the left direction. At the state Q3, if tape symbol A or B appears, machine only move in the left direction, right? So at the state Q3, machine only move in the left direction. As soon as the machine at the state Q3, the blank symbol appears. Here one transition rule is missing. That transition rule is BBR, right? BBR. Here we have to mention a BBR. So one transition is missing here. So when at the state Q3 BBR rule is applied, machine move to the Q0 state, and this cycle is repeated when the tape symbol small a encounter, right? Next, if the tape symbol B appears, then this path will be follow. Similarly, when tape symbol B meet in the tape, then machine change its state from Q0 to Q4 state, and at the Q4 state, when the tape symbol A appears or tape symbol B appears, machine only move in the self loop, right? In this self loop, that is machine only move in the right direction when tape symbol A or tape symbol B are appear. As soon as at the state Q4 the blank symbol appear, then machine goes to the Q5 state. At the Q5 state, when tape symbol small b appears, right, then machine move to the Q3 state. Here B, right, here A. You have to match from this, right? First symbol, last symbol, first symbol, last symbol. So at the state Q5, machine move to the Q3 state when tape symbol small b appears, and also the head of the machine move in the left direction. At the Q3 state, when tape symbol capital B appear, machine goes to the initial state. If the tape symbol AB appear, then machine move in the left direction only without changing its state. So now, when at the state Q3 blank symbol appear, machine goes to Q0 state. At the Q0 state, machine again use either this cycle or this cycle, right? When all the input strings are eliminated from the tape, then at the state Q0 the blank symbol will be appear. The blank symbol will be appear. In this situation, machine goes to the final state. In this situation, machine goes to the final state. Okay? So when at the state Q0 blank symbol appears, it means machine goes to the final state. Similarly, you can also check the verification part here. Here is the acceptance part. Here is the rejection part, right? So same, apply the rule, right? So here we consider the input string is ABBA. Here we consider the input string is ABA. So you have to self check the acceptance and rejection part of this here, right? Okay. Now, these are the some additional problems. Here you have to construct a Turing machine corresponding to these languages. Here you have to given these three languages. L equal to a की power n plus 2, b की power n. Second is a की power n, b की power n, c की power n. And m n greater equal 0. And third is the a की power n, b की power n, c की power n such that n greater equal 1. So you have to construct a Turing machine corresponding to these language. So here we are going to give a logic. How can you solve these questions? So you have to solve these questions self, right? Please listen the logic which you have to apply in these questions. Look in the first questions here. Here a की power n plus 2 and b की power n. We have the first question which we have solved previously. I have solved the question a की power n and b की power n. This question is same like that question a की power n, b की power n. Here you have to given a की power n plus 2 and b की power n. So same logic you have to apply here. When the first a appear, you have to remove the first a, then you have to go to the first b, you have to remove the first b, again you have to move the left, you remove the second a, and here again you have to remove second b, right? Similarly you have to move left and right, and remove a and b simultaneously. When all b are removed, then you have to check the number of a is to remain or not. If the number of a is at that time is 2a, then machine goes to the final state, right? So you have to check the number of a when number of b are removed. If the number of a is 2, then machine goes to the final state. But if the number of a is not 2, then machine not goes to final state. Okay. Now come in the second question. So here a की power n, b की power n, c की power m. So here there is no relation between the power of c with the power of a and b, right? So in this question, first you have to remove a, again move to the right direction and check b, and remove the first b. Again move the left direction, remove second a, again move the right direction, remove second b. Similarly, you have to move left and right and remove all A and B simultaneously. After removing all A and B, you have to again move to the right direction, right? And only you have to move in the right direction. When you reach at the right end, machine goes to the final state, right? In the third questions, here A power n, B power n, C power n. One question previously I have solved, that was the 0 की power n, 1 की power n and 2 की power n. This question is same like this. Here A की power n, B की power n, C की power n. So this question is already solved, but at that place 0 power n and 1 power n, 2 power n, right? So you have to again solve by using A, B and C. Okay. Now we are going to stop the lecture. Okay. Thank you.